Hello guys and welcome back to another video. My Legion Go 2 arrived today and this is the box you will receive at home if you order one. I actually wasn't expecting the delivery for another 2 days, but it's a good thing it arrived today because in 2 days Battlefield 6 will come out and I'm planning to make a lot of videos for Battlefield 6 on the handheld devices. But yeah, let's look what's in the box. The whole box is really heavy, so I'm wondering if the Legion Go 2 is also heavy like the box. You can see here that the packaging is a little bit dirty, and I'm pretty sure that came from Lenovo and not from my retailer. But never mind, let's take a look inside. I bought the 1300 euro version with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte hard drive storage. And my goal is actually to install Bazzard on this device and to show you how well the Z2 Extreme processor performs in Bazzard, because I saw a lot of videos that it's much better than on Windows and I really want to try it out, because then you can see on this channel how the performance in Bazzard is compared to Windows. So guys, this is the main packaging hidden in this box, and inside this packaging we will find the Legion Go 2. What shocked me a little bit is that Lenovo didn't include a charger. You see later that I couldn't find a charger in the entire box, and I googled a little bit and I found that Lenovo actually doesn't do this in some countries. So if you are planning on buying the device, be sure to check if Lenovo includes one in your country, because I mean for 1300 euro you can expect a charger. I've seen other unboxings where it was included, so it seems to vary from country to country. And I'm one of the lucky people who has multiple handheld devices at home, so I have several power adapters here. But imagine you're unboxing your Lenovo Legion Go 2 and you don't have a charger at home. Then you have to order a charger first, or you have to go to the nearest store the next day and buy one, because the Lenovo Legion Go 2 requires at least a 65 watt charger. And as I know, most of the phone chargers with USB-C don't have 65 watts, so yeah, you need to buy one. But whatever. Now you can see the device, and my first impression was that it is really heavy. I never had the Legion Go 1, but this device here has around 100 grams more than the Legion 1. And that's like one small apple. So it's like you're holding one small apple more in your hands. And I have to see how the weight affects my everyday gaming. Maybe it will bother me, but maybe I will get used to it. Here you can see a small button. If you press this, the mechanism releases and you can pull out the controller. I think it's the same mechanism like in the Legion Go 1. But I can't say that for sure because I never had it. But what I can tell you is that it doesn't feel as high quality or well thought out like the Nintendo Switch 2 or even the Nintendo Switch 1. The controllers themselves feel pretty good in the hand. I like that they have a light rubber coating that feels very comfortable and high quality in my opinion. And what I also really like is that we have a trackpad on the controllers. I really miss those trackpads on devices like the MSI Claw, because I used to play a lot of strategy games on the Steam Deck. The mechanism for reinserting the controllers isn't as great or satisfying as it is on the Nintendo Switch. It doesn't feel as well thought out like the Nintendo Switch. You insert the controllers into the slot while holding down the eject buttons, then you release the buttons so the controllers snap and lock into the place. It's a bit clunky, maybe because I never tried it before, but I'm pretty sure I will get used to it. And let's talk about the buttons. The buttons feel very good in my opinion. They are not too loud and not too clicky. Very, very comfortable in my opinion. And yeah, otherwise I will make another video where I will show you much more of the device, because I need to test it for myself now and to make all the settings, and like I said, I will install Bazzard on it. In these bags you can find some accessories for the controllers, like the thing for the mouse where you can use the controller as a mouse. And I think I will never use this feature, but let's see, maybe it's a good feature. In this box there should be the charger inside, because I saw a lot of unboxings where the charger is inside this box, but it's not in my box. And like I said, you're buying a Lenovo Legion Go 2 for 1,300 euros and you don't have a charger. So please check online if Lenovo includes a charger when you buy such a device like this. Here you can see a direct size comparison with the MSI Claw A8, and the Lenovo Legion Go 2 isn't that much bigger, it's just heavier, and as you can clearly see here, it also has a significant larger screen than the MSI Claw A8. Here you can see the thickness of both devices, and the Lenovo Legion Go 2 is a little bit thicker than the MSI Claw A8, but they are nearly the same. That's also true for the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, and they are nearly the same size. I would really say they are the same size. There is not so much difference size-wise. Here you can see them side by side. And as you can see, the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus is even a little bit longer than the Legion Go 2. And the thickness is also nearly the same. So the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus is from the thickness like the A8, and yeah, it's nearly the same like the Legion Go 2. This is all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and this is my first impression of the Lenovo Legion Go 2. I will test this device intense the next few days, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.